Can I add a shortcut to replace a path in Linux? For example, I always go to this path /user /something/some folder /somewhere. But I don't want to type cd /user /something/some folders /somewhere. In the terminal all the time, can I have some shorthand to do so? For example, can I do something like cd command place to replace the path?
You can use the environment variable cdpath for this. From the bash man page, cdpath, the search path for the cd command. This is a colon-separated list of directories in which the shell looks for destination directories specified by the cd command. A sample value is /user. In your case, you can set in ~/bash, and then typing cd somewhere would take you to /user /something/some folder /somewhere, assuming there's no directory named somewhere within the current directory. Alternatively, if you don't want to refer to the folder somewhere by its real name, you could create a hidden directory that contains a symbolic link to /user /something/some folder /somewhere with the name you want to use. It could also contain links to any other directories you frequently visit. Then set cdpath to include the path to that hidden directory. Although note that with this method, if you cd somewhere and then cd dot, you'll wind up in the hidden directory. That may or may not be an issue for you.
Two shortcuts I use all the time for things like this. Aliases. Then you can type somewhere to go to that directory. Add these to your .basher. Symbolic links. This will make a file at /shortcut which links to /long/path/ to /some/other/folder. Then you can type cd/shortcut instead. The caveat of this is it fills up your root directory, or whichever directory you put the links in, pretty quick. I prefer aliases.
I tend to use the bash interactive search all the time. Try it. Invoke it with Ctrl+R and start typing some part of your path, like somewhere. Probably your cd command will pop up. Smile.
Another thing you can do is to store the path in question in an environment variable. Add these lines to your ~profile file. You can then access the directory with
Having listened to the